Hello, everyone. Whilst it's clear that you are now a competent reader who is able to follow and understand various different text types, sometimes certain texts can feel a little confusing. So, how do we ensure that we are able to understand the text and the information that we need to gather from it? Well, here are a few ideas which you may find useful. So, where are the main ideas found? Well, it's easy to identify a main idea that is directly expressed in a text. So they are often found at the beginning of paragraphs. So these are often placed within the first sentence, which is called a topic sentence. Main ideas are also found in the concluding sentence of a paragraph. So the main idea can be expressed as a summation or a summary of the information in the paragraph, as well as a link to the information that will appear in the next. The main idea is not necessarily, though, always clearly stated. It's more difficult to identify a main idea when it is inferred or implied, so hinted at. It can be implied through other words in the paragraph. So, an implied main idea can be found in several ways. So, it could be that there are several sentences in a paragraph that can imply the main idea by introducing facts about a topic before actually stating the topic itself. Implied ideas can also be drawn, as I said, from facts, reasons, or examples that give hints or suggestions concerning the main idea. So these hints will be clues leading for you to discover the main idea in the selected text. You might also, when you're looking for this information, begin to ask yourselves questions after you've read a paragraph. So, what is the point the author is making in this passage is important. You might also ask the following. So, who? Does this passage discuss a person or group of people? When? Does the information contain a reference to time? Where? Does the text name a place? Why? Do you find a reason or explanation for something that happened? How? Does this information indicate a method or a theory? Asking yourselves those questions will help you to identify and decode sometimes quite challenging texts. This, however, is a skill which requires practice. So, as always, it's now time for you to practice this skill. So, good luck.